something hitting this window right here. She looked out, this little guy. There's some blood right there on the chair. Dried up now. She found this little woodpecker. She's feeding him. He was laying down there. She's feeding him some water. He was bleeding out of his mouth. Little woodpecker. He's stunned. I think he bit his little woodpecker tongue. If they have tongues. See something, there's a big bird. Ooh, look at that bird there. Yeah, it could be. Yeah, he's flying overhead looking for his dinner.
This is just proof that Donna does have a heart.
Worms. He may have been. Look, there's that hawk again flying. I think it was. Look at that. He's circling right overhead. I wonder if he's a hawk vulture. You do it. Donna is feeding the bird. Cold water. He took a thump on the head. He's like a little baby. See if he's got a glaze in his eyes. Is he bushy tailed? He had blood coming out of his mouth. Now he's kind of washed it away. And there he goes. It's gonna cool his head off. It's like water on a duck's back. Only this ain't a duck. He's sipping a little bit.
Now you can see it when he swallows.
His eyes, like he's kind of, I'm just tired.
There he goes. He's swallowing that.
He's getting his wits about him again.
He's not choking. I thought he was choking.
Let me get a picture of a little woodpecker head. I would assume that's a woodpecker.
Those really big ones that has the red dot on the back.
Yeah, like Woody. We'll name him Woody. Woody woodpecker. Well, I'm gonna end it right here. Say hi, Donna.